Immigration, Refugee, Citizenship Canada will use passengers or travelers' personal information, and they will receive this information from the border. And whenever you will apply your application for a citizenship or your permanent residence or your temporary residence, whether that is work permit or you want to stay here permanently in Canada, so they will use that information and they will match those information with to check that have you overstayed here in Canada or not. And for the citizenship application, they will check physical presence in Canada, how long you stayed out of Canada. So guys, this information is very important, and this is decided between Border and IRCC on February 5, 2022. It's very recently decided. So let's dig out into the video and check what those information are. This is Khalil. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon button to get new videos notification on time. Stick around till the end of this video. It's going to be very much informative, guys. This is the content of the video. First of all, I will discuss introduction and that what information is available for IRCC through border and how IRCC will use entry and exit data for temporary residence application and for permanent residence application and citizenship application. So guys, let's jump on introduction. Since February 2019, the Canadian border has been able to gather basic passengers information and communicate it with Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada under the Entry-Exit program. The information is used by the IRCC to verify residency requirements for permanent residence applications, work permits, study permits, and Canadian citizenship applications. Some programs require candidates to spend a particular amount of time in Canada. Permanent residents, for example, must have been physically present in Canada for 1,095 days out of the 5 years preceding to the date of their application in order to apply for citizenship. Second, what information is available? For the time being, the entry-exit program is only available to those visitors who are arriving in Canada by land or by air, and it is not currently possible to go to Canada by sea or train. Through the entry-exit program, IRCC will get this information, guys, from the border services. Your given and family names, your aliases, your gender, whether you are male or female, your date of birth, your country of birth, your country of citizenship, your passport information, and your exit and entry dates. So it means that whenever you enter into Canada, you came here on visit visa or you're on work permit, and then suppose you didn't extend your work permit and you overstayed here. Through this dig out whether you have overstayed here in Canada or whether you have fulfilled the requirements of physical presence in Canada. This is very quick system here, so guys, you cannot cheat the government of Canada. The information is stored in the GCMS, which IRCC can utilize to manage the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act, the Citizenship Act, and the Canadian Passport Order as needed. Number third, how IRCC uses entry-exit data. IRCC can utilize entry-exit data to verify residency requirements in citizenship or permanent residence cards application, and they can verify if a temporary residence applicant has previously overstayed their allowable period of admissions in Canada. Assist in an investigation into an individual's entitlement to a Canadian travel documents. They also can verify that sponsors are residing in Canada or not. And they also verify the residency of spouses and partners under the spouse or common law partners in Canada class. Whenever you come to Canada on this status, guys, keep in mind your physical presence is being checked, and now you cannot cheat because it happens so many times. People enter into Canada and then after getting permanent residence card, they left to their own back home countries and kept doing their jobs in their back home. Once 5 years completed or 3 years completed, they came back and took their passport, but no more like that. Client agreement is not required for IRCC. IRCC is not bound that you will agree with that or not, but at any cost they can take your information I just mentioned on the back page. Number 4, it will be applied on temporary residence application, guys. For the following applications categories, IRCC will border services to get entry and exit information, whether you have submitted your visa for temporary residence or for your permits for temporary residence, or work permits and work permits renewal are kept on file for visitors. Permits to study and extensions to study, travel authorization over the internet ETAs. In these applications, guys, they will get your entry and exit information from the border services. The data on entry and exit can be utilized to see if a foreign individual has previously overstayed their visa in Canada, and this is referred to by the government as overstayed monitoring. It starts when a visitor enters Canada and concludes when they leave. When the GCMS is queried, a overstay indication will display as a ticked box if the applicant has overstayed their visit. Okay guys, whenever you come to Canada, if you overstayed here, okay, then they will run GCMS system, and on the overstay indication box it will tick out. It means that he has been overstayed here in Canada during his visit. So in this way they will catch you guys. Number 5. They will get your exit and entry data for your permanent residence applications. IRCC has access to entry-exit information for the following permanent residence application types: your permanent residence card, your overseas refugee, your application for family sponsorship, and your application for permanent residence travel document, guys. The information can be used to illustrate periods of time spent in and outside of Canada, allowing IRCC to determine whether or not residency has been maintained. IRCC may conduct an entry-exit inquiry in addition to residence requirements to examine misrepresentation or revocation of Canadian documents. Entry-exit data can be used to assess if a sponsor is resident in Canada for family sponsorship application, guys. Number 6, GCMS system can be used for citizenship application, guys. In citizenship applications, exit and entry data can be used to verify physical presence requirement for citizenship grants, assist in the verification of other requirements such as flagging potential loss of permanent residence status, the need for applicants to submit foreign police certificates or misrepresentation, and verify physical presence requirements for resumption of citizenship, and assist in cases of Canadian citizenship revocation. In all these situations, the GCMS system will be used to get your entry and exit data through border services. Try to cheat Government of Canada or IRCC regarding your physical presence in Canada to meet the eligibility criteria for permanent residency or citizenship. Don't try to misrepresent also. Always be truthful to the government in your application and your statements. If you found this information helpful, then give a big thumb to this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, guys.